Right now, millions of people are opening ChatGPT and they're looking for who's the best HVAC contractor in Austin, or they're searching who's the top rated dentist near me. ChatGPT doesn't show them an exhausting list of options. It only gives them a couple recommendations. But if your business isn't listed as one of them, your customers are walking straight into your competitors' doors. In this video, I'm gonna show you step by step how to get your business to show on ChatGPT and how to get recommended to people looking for your business. Will from Hvac Systems here, and I run a marketing agency that helps home service and local businesses get ranked #1 on Google and ChatGPT. Our clients are getting ranked #1 on ChatGPT in their local cities, and they're able to get referral quality leads without spending a dime on ads. We do all this for our clients with a 90-day guarantee, and in this video, I'm gonna show you the exact playbook that we use. First, I want you to understand how this works. ChatGPT doesn't crawl the web every time it asks you a question like Google does. It pulls from very specific resources to get local and accurate recommendations. #1 is Bing search results. ChatGPT has a Bing index. ChatGPT has a Bing index baked in. Whatever ranks well on Bing, ChatGPT sees. Source 2, structured data. Schema markup on your website. This is code on your website that tells AI exactly what this page is, what your business does, where you're located, what you offer, and what your hours are. However, most local business websites have no schema. That's the problem. Source 3, citations. Yelp, BBB accredited, industry-specific directories. ChatGPT cross-references these sources to confirm that you are real. Source 4, review presence across multiple platforms. Not just Google, Yelp reviews, BBB accredited reviews, industry-specific reviews. AI looks at consensus across multiple sources. Source 5, third-party mentions. Local news articles, industry-specific news sources, blog posts featuring you, and publications. These are EEAT signals. That stands for experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trust. FAQ content. Pages on your website that actually have questions and answers for questions that people are actually looking for in the service or business that you provide. ChatGPT loves this because ChatGPT loves this because that's the exact structure that ChatGPT provides. Homeowners and customers ask for a question and ChatGPT has to provide an answer. So if you already have content in coherent following, then they're going to be able to take the information from your website and be able to provide that resource for others. Now, here are the 7 moves that actually get you ranked. Move #1, install local business schema on every page on your local business website. There's a tool called Schema Markup Generator and it's completely free to use. Generate the code, paste it into your website's header sections, and this alone will move the needle. Move 2, build out an FAQ page on your website and even your Google My Business profile. Sit down and think of 20 questions that homeowners and customers ask commonly about your business and write out those questions in a question and answer format, and on Google My Business, write out those questions and have you yourself, the owner, answer all of those questions. These are real questions, real answers, 3 to 5 sentences long each. Move 3, get your citations consistent. Use a tool like Bright Local or Whitespark to scan and see all your current directory listings. Fix any that don't match your NAP exactly. Add yourself to the top 30 directories in your industry. Move 4, build a review presence aside from Google. Think of Yelp, BBB accredited, Home Advisor, Thumbtack, industry-specific platforms. Aim for 20+ reviews on each platform and move on to the next. Move 5, author bio pages with EEAT signals. Have a page about you, your business, your years of experience, the type of work that you do, industry-specific associations, awards or recognitions that you've gotten, and certifications that you have as a business owner in business. ChatGPT uses all this information to confirm that you're a legitimate authority in your space. Move 6, get featured in local press. Use HARO, help a reporter out, to respond to local journalist queries. Pitch your local newspaper a story about your business, how you get started, and how you're serving the local community. Get a single mention in a credible publication, and your spot on ChatGPT will jump. Move 7, on-form content on your website that answers buyer intent questions. Not blog posts about company news. Posts like, how much does a roof cost in Phoenix in 2026? Content that actually solves the questions that people are looking for on ChatGPT. And this is why this beats any other lead generation method that you worked with, because this is a process that you actually own, and the seeds that you plant today will be able to get you results that exponentially increase that you have forever without spending a dime on ads. ChatGPT leads are the highest of quality because these leads come in pre-sold. By the time they call you, AI has already vetted and recommended you. That's the equivalent of a referral that a friend has made. Our clients are seeing that ChatGPT leads are closing at 3 to 4 times the rates of a lead coming from ads or any other cold lead sources. And they cost $0 per lead. The problem with a lot of these lead generation platforms like Angie's, Yelp, and running paid ads is these platforms get more and more expensive every single year. And you don't control the quality and margin that they're generating these leads at. ChatGPT recommendations are free and are becoming harder and harder to crack as more businesses figure this out on their own. This is exactly what Google Business Profile was like in 2014 before everyone caught on. If you want my team to handle the citations, the FAQs, the schema scripts, the press, and rank you #1 on ChatGPT in the next 90 days guaranteed, there's a free audit link below. Click below to get a free audit, no pressure, no strings attached of your business. We'll generate a game plan for your business on how we can help you rank higher and improve your visibility online and see with you what it takes to become #1. So click the link below, subscribe, and I'll see you on the other side.